Aloha, Lisa here with Upside Down Pilates, and I am really excited to announce that we are starting an online membership website. So I'm coming to you today to find out what you might want on our website, the membership website. For sure, we are going to put our neuromuscular reeducation teacher training program up there. Oh look, we have a friend. Say hi. It's your first photo shoot. Okay, now goodbye. So for sure, we're going to put our neuromuscular reeducation teacher training program up there. Sorry. So for sure, we are going to have our neuromuscular reeducation teacher training program on there for you. I've been running that since 2015, but it will be a new format on the membership website. But I would like to know what else you would like on there. So are you looking for more online teacher trainings? Those teacher trainings could be looking at specific things like how to deal with rheumatoid arthritis in Pilates, maybe how to deal with scoliosis in Pilates or pregnancy in Pilates. Or are you looking for more interesting athletic workouts? Say how do you do? How do you do? For programming in your studio. So interesting and effective programming on different pieces of equipment like the reformer or the Cadillac or ladder barrel or things like that. Are you looking to learn more about different pieces of equipment? So new pieces of equipment that are coming out that you haven't seen before. Are you looking for longer commercial-free episodes of those types of things? Or are you an avid home exercise enthusiast that is just looking for straight up workouts to do daily at home on the pieces of equipment that you have? Other things I'm wondering about as well is, are you looking for online nutrition classes? So I'm a health coach as well as a functional diagnostic nutrition practitioner. Are you looking for things like how to heal your leaky gut or recipes and things like that to cook at home for things as simple as weight loss or things as complicated as dealing with your thyroid and rheumatoid arthritis issues? Are you looking for Pilates Method Alliance continuing education credit workshops, which we can put on there, or other continuing education credits that we can put up on the website and you can get through the membership website? As well as, do you need translations? I know a lot of people that follow me are all over the world, in Brazil, in South Korea, just all over the place. So are you one of those people that needs the translations? And if you do need the translations, what country are you in and what language do you need those videos to be translated into? We're looking at doing that as well. If those are the types of things that you're looking for, let me know. You can email us at info@upsidedownpilates.com, or you can comment below. And what pieces of equipment would you like? What type of formatting would you like? What's going to be most beneficial to you? And if there's anything else that interests you that I didn't mention, that would be really great, because we're looking for ideas to provide you with things that you need right now that you're looking for. All right, so leave a comment, shoot us an email, and let me know. Aloha.